In today's video, we are going to show you how to import cards into Trello from a CSV file. So first, navigate to your board menu and select Power-Ups from the sidebar. You'll see a list of available add-ons. Then search for a CSV import power-up. There are several options available, so pick one that looks reliable and has good reviews. Go ahead and enable it. Once that's done, click on your newly enabled power-up. You'll see options like Import Cards or CSV Import. Click on that. Now it's time to upload your CSV file. Make sure your columns match Trello's format. You'll want card name, description, list, labels, and due date as your main columns. After that, you'll need to map your CSV columns to the corresponding Trello fields. The import interface will show you drop-downs to match everything up. Take your time here to get it right. From there, just click Import to process your file. Your cards will automatically be added to the specified lists on your board. And that's how you import cards into Trello from a CSV file. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.